Hey everyone, it's Lindsay with The Creative Arrow, and today I'm going to do an art journal page based off of a white pumpkin. This one has these little threaded parts, which is so pretty. I probably won't get that detailed, but I do want to show you a quick and easy way to do an acrylic pumpkin. First thing I'm going to do is glue in a scrapbook page for my background. Now I'm going to go in with some brown paint, and I'm going to paint the whole pumpkin, starting with the stem and then going right into every piece and section of like the body of the pumpkin. And I'm doing all of this in brown first, since that is the shadow or like kind of underlying tones of the white pumpkin. And this is going to make it so much easier for me to get that kind of three-dimensional look without having to do a ton of extra painting. And you'll see what I mean here in a second. Now that I'm done with all of the brown, I'm going to go in with some white, and I'm going to do this while the brown is still wet. So just taking a paintbrush, I'm starting at the top and just using a couple of brush strokes to get this white kind of on there and mixing a little bit towards the base. So I'm just kind of like lifting my paintbrush a little bit once I get towards the bottom. That way it'll kind of naturally blend into the brown. Once I have a nice layer of white on here, I'm going to go back with more white, and I'm going to do it just on the tops for the highlights. So this is going to give you that three-dimensional look of a white pumpkin. Now that I'm done with the painted portion, I'm going to go in with a black Sharpie to create the shadow. So I'm going to outline the whole bottom section, and then I'm going to go in with some horizontal lines that are kind of choppy to show that this is actually resting on something and has a bit of a shadow. Now that the pumpkin is done, it's time to decorate. So I'm going to go in with this little piece of ribbon that I'm going to attach with a pin and just kind of give it a little bit of some flair and a touch of color, because everything's been fairly monochromatic at this point. And then I'm also going to embellish and decorate with a little bit of washi tape, because that is one of my favorite things. Now that I have something on 2 of the quarters, I'm going to frame the rest of the piece with some drawn details using a permanent marker. So on this portion, I'm going to do little X's to kind of show that it's sewn. And then on the lower half, I'm going to stick to just simple curved lines so that it has the same effect, but a little different. The last detail I'm going to add are cute little white hearts back with my acrylic paint, and this is just to give it one last little touch of flair. Plus I think hearts are just adorable, and who doesn't love fall and pumpkins? And there you have it. This is our completed fall journal spread, and it has the acrylic pumpkin in the middle and all of my fun embellishments and details on the outside. So I hope that you guys all were able to enjoy this video, learn something new, and follow along and create this beautiful and cute pumpkin in your own art journal pages. Make sure that you like and subscribe and comment, and let me know what you want to see next. I'm always open to new ideas. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.